Hello everybody, today I'm going to be taking you guys around this 1998 Mitsubishi Canter Guts. This one is four-wheel drive and it is powered by Mitsubishi's legendary 4M40 naturally aspirated diesel. This one is coming to us with about 80,500 kilometers on it, or about 50,000 miles. So nice low mileage on this one, still plenty of time left to go on it. We just put a lift kit on this one, as well as fully restoring the bed on it. So we've put a lot of work into this truck as of late. So this one is pretty much all set for you to go. Pick this up. This would be a perfect work truck, perfect farm truck, all of that. Here is a little better look at that bed. Look at that beautiful wood. Absolutely fantastic job done by our team here. Everything is all in fantastic condition, ready to go for many, many years to come. Now, the cool thing about this Canter right here is, much like a K-truck, you can fold all of the bed sides down. So there's a couple latches on all four corners. This one does have an additional little one right here. So you gotta undo this one and this one down here. But after doing that, you can bring both sides down. If you want to bring just this one down, you don't have to undo this little part right here. You can just undo these little simple pins, I guess, whatever you want to call them. But as you can see, here is that wood here in the sun. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful job done by our mechanics. Now this Canter is also equipped with a tilt cab on it, so let me show you guys how to open that up. First off, you want to pull this little lever, and at the same time you do want to pull this handle right here. So obviously I'm going to need to put my phone down here for a sec. Here we have it. So this handle pops out. Once you're done with that, you come down, reach down here, pull that little lever, and then you can lift the bed up like so, giving you access to the engine. And as I said before, this is the 4M40 naturally aspirated diesel. I believe you could also get some of these Canters with the 4M40T. Obviously that's going to be the turbo diesel, but this one is just pure naturally aspirated simplicity. It is also a mechanical diesel engine, so very, very simple engine, very, very reliable. And here is how that truck looks like with the bed tilted up. Obviously, looks a little bit goofy, but that does come with being very easy to maintain, very easy to access, literally everything that you would need to on this engine. So, absolutely fantastic design done by Mitsubishi. Now taking a look inside the Canter here, as you can see, door seals are all nice, clean, rust-free, and the door itself as well. The seats themselves are in fantastic condition here, as you can see. Barely really even worn at all, which is to be expected given the lower mileage, which, as I said, is about 80,500 kilometers, 50,000 miles. This one is also equipped with AC, which does work fantastic. I just drove this truck 60 miles from our Shoreline location over to our Sequim location, and this AC was an absolute lifesaver. Especially with the engine being underneath the cab. It does get pretty toasty in here if you don't have that on. Now it does also have an aftermarket radio in here. This one is not Bluetooth, but you do have a little aux input right here, which obviously with modern phones today you don't have headphone jacks, but you can get just a little wire that would plug into your charging port, and with an end that plugs into the aux input there. I am going to go ahead and start up this Canter now. As you can see, well, I don't know what happened there. Okay, I just didn't hold the key long enough there. But it does start right up, barely even has to crank. Again, very, very reliable engines, but it does start right up. Engine is nice and responsive. Horn is a little bit weak, but it is there. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn all the lights on. Now with this Canter, interestingly enough, to turn the hazards on, you will just pull this lever towards you and the hazards come on. And you do also have fog lights here, which are turned on by that little switch right there. And as you can see, headlights, turn signals, and the fog lights down there are all lit up and working as they should be up here at the front. So if we come around to the back, it's the same story back here. Taillights, turn signals are working on both sides. And you do get a 1.5 ton payload capacity in this truck, meaning you can haul all sorts of things. You could even put a little K truck in the back of this and it would be hauling it no problem whatsoever. So if you want to come check out this Canter for yourself, head on over to our Sequim location, which is going to be 87 Dryke Rd in Sequim, Washington. That's spelled Sequim. I will also put the address in the description so you can have that easier to access. Copy and paste that straight into your maps and get you over here to check this Canter out for yourself, or any of our other very large inventory that we've got in stock here, which is all JDM cars, even a few bikes. So yeah, thank you for watching this little walk around. This truck is currently available for sale. Like I said, at our Sequim lot. If you want to check out some more photos, some more pictures, all that, and details, head on over to our website, jdmcarandmotorcycle.com. Find all of our inventory there across both our Sequim and Shoreline locations, and all that, as well as all of our contact info, everything you need to get in touch with us about getting you into one of these trucks or any of our cars. Thank you for watching this walk around. I will see y'all with the next one. Have a fantastic day.